Hello fellow stackers, 365 here, welcome back to my channel. So I know I've done a couple of videos over the last couple of days showcasing some of my gold stack, but I just wanted to reassure you that silver is my main passion. And to do that, I wanted to show you the latest purchase I've just made. This was purchased from the Silver Forum, so let's get straight into the video. Now I've actually purchased from this gentleman before on the Silver Forum, and he contacted me again asking if I was interested in buying any more of the same coins, to which I replied yes, because these coins are amazing. They're the Type 1 Libertads, and they're just absolutely gorgeous coins. They're the ones that have the writing around the sides, and they're just such good looking pieces of silver. Now, considering how old these coins are, they're in very, very good condition. You can see 1983, this particular one Unza. Such good examples of these coins. You've got the Mexican coat of arms on the back there, if it's going to focus. And like I said, it's got the text around the side, which the newer Libertads just don't have. And it just makes them even more desirable coins. Now, these hold a bit of a premium. These coins cost me roughly £35 each, including delivery. But they do hold their premiums. They've got the numismatic value attached to them also. So it's not just the silver content you're paying for, you're also paying for the numismatic value. Really, really nice looking coins. Let me know what you think of these in the comment section below. And as always, thanks very much for watching my videos, and I hope you have a nice day.